Hey everyone, welcome back. I just decided to do a quick unboxing video today of my FabFitFun box, which I got. This is my spring box. I'm super excited. The last one I got was the winter. That was my very first box. I bought that with a coupon code just to try it out. And once I tried it, I really liked it. I thought it was so fun to get the box with all the different things and a few surprises. So what I did was I went ahead and signed up for the whole year membership, and this is my first box of that. Now, I did get $20 add-on credit with my new sign up, so the first two items you see out will be what I bought with the add-on credit, and they weren't part of the regular box. So I'm going to go ahead and give this an open up. You can look down inside there. Now, the first thing that was an add-on item was this Vera Bradley tumbler. It's got cute little cherries all over it, and it's going to be the perfect cup for work. I work a lot around computer equipment, so I like to have a kind of no spill cup. And while it isn't completely spill proof, the straw makes it like if it tips over, only a few drops are going to come out at a time, and that's good enough for me. So this will be perfect for my water, my iced tea, my everything. And the second item that I got with add-on credit, let me see if I can find it in here. There we go. It's just a black eyeliner, pencil style. I needed a new black eyeliner. I use brown and black primarily, but my black was kind of sad condition, so I picked this up. Okay, so those are the two add-ons. Everything else, with the exception of this, which I'll go into in a second, was in the main box. So this here is the Short Stories LED Indoor Planner. I bought this planter because I wanted to start some marigolds early. Last year I had the prettiest marigold plants that someone gave me, and I saved the seeds from them so I could try to redo them this year. But I thought, since I'm in a colder climate, that it would be good to have a head start. So I went ahead and got this as an add-on just for my first categories, because I actually got two items from the first category. I got that, and I also got this Shoshana umbrella. I got that because most of my umbrellas are really cheap umbrellas from like Walmart or Walgreens or CVS, and I wanted something that was a little nicer and a little cuter just to carry with me when I go out for my walks. It's really rainy here in the spring, and I don't like to have to stop my walking just for the rain, so that'll come in handy. As always with the FabFitFun boxes, you get some of this paraphernalia like stickers. Then there's just a little subscription card. The FabFitFun magazine. That's usually kind of fun. It has some good information about products, and it usually has a clue about like contents of the next box. So I'll take a look at that later. Right here, the next item would be Suns Out, Pouts Out. These are lip masks. I've never tried a lip mask before, but my lips are really dry after the winter, so I think this will be good to try. In keeping with the dry skin theme, I also got these aloe-infused socks with a pumice stone, and that'll help with dry feet. I mean, anyone who lives in a cold climate knows at the end of the winter, after your feet have been in heavy socks and boots all winter, they are in sad repair and need to be freshened up for spring. So that'll help with that. Next up, I have a skin serum. I've never tried this before, but I'm looking forward to it. I usually just use like a cleanser and a mask, but now that I'm getting a little older, I think it's time to step up my game with skincare. So I ordered that just to get a head start on it. Here's a few more pamphlets and such. Next is this Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Now, I have used the 1,000 Flower Mask before, and I'm a really big fan of it, so I thought I would try this as well. I'm really looking forward to it because I love the mask. So yeah, I think I'll pop that on tonight and see how it goes. I've also got some cotton puffs for skincare routines and such, and I'm going to go ahead and pop those into my skincare bag. I have a really big bag just full of samples and the skincare products that I do get in boxes like this. And I like to try something new. I like to rotate around and just see what works for me, and these will come in handy. I've got two lipsticks from MAC. One is in the shade called Reverence, and the other one is called Work, Work, Work. I'll show them to you. This one is the Reverence. It's kind of a pinky shade, but like a neutral, not like a bright Barbie pink. It's a really pretty color, and that's like a good one for everyday wear. This is what I would wear to like a Zoom meeting or something like that. And the other one is a bolder shade. It's something that maybe I would wear for a night out. Not for every day, but it's called Work, 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 and it's just like a deeper red. But not like an orangey red, which I really appreciate because I really don't care for like super orangey reds or bright reds, but this is a little bit muted, so it'll work well. It might even work for every day if I applied it with like a light hand. And the very last item actually fell out of the bag. It's a Joy Dravecki ring, and it looks like this. We all know I'm a jewelry fan, so this will be going into my jewelry box. So that is it for the Spring FabFitFun box. Overall, I'm really pleased with everything inside. I'm really looking forward to using this planter. The ring, of course, is light green, and it goes with a lot of my clothes, so I'll be looking forward to that. I always love MAC lipstick. I actually have a family member who works for MAC, so I get a lot of it as gifts like on Christmas and whatnot, and I'm always happy to see it. Skincare regimen sorted. I'll put this paperwork back in here too. Stickers, fun for spring. I can put them on my water bottle. Eyeliner, that's headed to the makeup bag. Umbrella. Aloe socks and pumice stone. I'm looking forward to using these. Maybe if I have time tonight, I'll do a foot spa. That would be awesome. I haven't done one in so long. Lip masks and cotton puffs. And last but not least, my favorite thing, the tumbler. Thank you so much for joining me again. I will be back in a couple days. I have a jewelry box on the way that I'll need to unbox. It's not here yet, so I'm looking forward to that. And then I'll have another one coming. That one I just won an auction for, so it'll be on the way shortly. I've also got some auctions up on my eBay page. I'll link it down below so you can take a look if you're interested. And I will also link a referral link for FabFitFun as well in case you're interested in a discount code. I'll get that down below for you as well in case you liked what you saw here and feel like checking it out for yourself. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you will. It's a great way to support my channel for free. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time.